Now let's understand how the CMS in Webflow works. Webflow also offers us a website builder, but let's look at in the CMS first. All our dynamic content is stored and maintained in Webflow. So the CMS here acts as a central repository for all our digital content. In other words, we can treat it as a database. Websites can then reference the dynamic content on different pages. So on the client side, we just need to reference that data. So anytime if there are any changes in the CMS content, it updates on all the pages where it's referenced. And lastly, the updates are instantaneous, which means as soon as you make any changes, they are reflected on the live site instantly. Webflow also allows us for multiple users to collaborate on a single website. Now coming on to the community support, Webflow has a limited community support as of now, but it is going in popularity due to its simplicity and ease of use. And we might expect the community to grow further in the near future. But if you are stuck somewhere, and there are many tutorial videos, forums to help solve your doubts. It also offers its own free courses through its Webflow University portal, which covers in depth all the aspects of Webflow. The courses are well organized and easy to follow. So if you want to get started with Webflow, then these courses are a great starting point.